Hello, I'm Julia, and I've been recording weekly videos for just over 2 years now and writing blogs that match those videos for 2 years. And I've been doing that to support other children's wellbeing practitioners. So that's children's mindfulness teachers, children's yoga teachers, and basically anybody who delivers wellbeing lessons to children. And I've found it really fun and exciting. Something that I find really enjoyable is learning how to do something and then sharing that with other people, just sharing my experiences, not from a point of, oh, I'm the best at doing this, but just to say, kind of like, this is what I've discovered and works for me and it might work for you too, or here are some things to consider. And I've really enjoyed doing that for the past 2 years. However, I am also a neurodivergent woman who is going through perimenopause at the moment, and I'm finding myself really exhausted and really tired and really just a bit overwhelmed with life in general. I have two neurodivergent children too, and I've got a lot of other responsibilities in life as well as running my own business. And so I've come to the decision to make these videos shorter, because I was thinking about it. Do I stop doing the videos? Do I stop doing the blog? And then I just thought, I actually really enjoy doing the videos, and I know that some people do find them really helpful. And so I thought, instead of just being like, throw it all out the window like I can do sometimes in my way, I thought, let's try just making them shorter. So for the next couple of months, what I'm going to be doing is videoing just really small, like very small thought bubble videos here. And I'm going to be sharing those in the usual way to people on my newsletters and posting them weekly on my YouTube channel. And so if you want to continue, if you've been reading my blogs or watching my videos and you'd like to continue, then they will still be continuing, but they will be shorter for at least the next 2 months, because I'm just feeling like I need to say no to some stuff and I need to reduce my work, because I just need more time off and I need some more time for me. And so to do that, I'm reducing this branch of my work a little bit, so that I can spend more time doing fun things for me, basically. And so I'll be continuing to put out weekly videos. I definitely won't be doing a weekly blog, but there will be some weeks there may be just a blog, some weeks there may be just a short video. I will continue to put out weekly content in some way. So if you're signed up to my newsletter, you'll continue to get a weekly newsletter from me. And I'm just going to try it for the next couple of months and see how it goes. And if any of you watching have also reduced your work in some way due to perimenopause drama, I don't know if it's drama really. It's more just I've reached a point in life where I'm like, I can't sustain what I'm doing at the moment. And so I'm cutting back on some stuff. And this is one of the things that I'm just cutting down a little bit of. I don't know how easy I'll find it though, because I do really just start talking and keep going on a ramble. But this is just a little notification video to inform you that going forward for the next at least 2 months, the videos will be much shorter, and some weeks there'll be a blog, sometimes there won't be a blog, and that is the way I'm moving forward. But still, if you have any questions, if there's something you'd love me to respond to, I still will do that. And I'll still be doing mentor meetings with people who want to, and I'm still doing all my classes and workshops. Nothing else is really changing there. I'm just reducing the amount that I am filming and creating blogs, and we'll see how that goes. Thanks for watching.